So we are starting a new video series. It is related to Buddha teachings. Let us see in this series some Buddha's teachings. So several videos with the short stories and moral stories we will discuss. So here in this series we'll discuss about uh, in part 4 parts we will discuss the videos for now. In part 1 we are going to discuss about the Buddha's four noble truths. In that we have everything we dharma, four noble truths, understanding Buddha teachings about suffering, how to stop, calm and rest, healing everything, teaching suffering, realizing well-being. We are going to talk about all these things in the first part. So in these four noble truths we will talk. In the second part we are going to talk about noble eightfold path. So what are the 8 things we need to follow in order to get liberated as per Buddha. So what are those actually eightfold path? Right view, right thinking, right mindfulness, right speech, right action, right dialogue, right concentration, and last, right livelihood. So these are the 8 things Buddha has told to in order to get liberated. These are the 8 things to be followed for anyone who is interested to follow Buddha's teachings. So we are going to discuss about all these things. About this simply we call eightfold path in part 2, and in part 3 we are going to discuss about other basic Buddhist teachings, like the 2 truths, 3 dharma seals, 3 doors of liberation, 3 bodies of Buddha. What are those 3 bodies? 3 jewels, 4 immeasurable minds, 5 aggregates, 5 powers, and 6 parameters, 7 factors of awakening, 12 links of interdependent co-arising, touching the Buddha within. So we are going to talk about all these basic Buddhist teachings in part 3. In the last part, that is for part number 4, we are going to see about the discourses, like turning the wheel of the dharma. So Dharma Chakra Pavatana Sutta. This is in Pali language actually. So second thing is we are going to see the great 40 as part of a disclosure. Another disclosure, right view. So Samadhiti Sutta. We are going to see all these things. So total 4 parts we are going to see in this. So what is the heart of Buddha's teaching? Transforming suffering into peace, joy, and liberation. So what is the goal of all these teachings is transforming suffering into peace, joy, and liberation. So in that he mentioned many things like 4 noble truths and a noble eightfold path and other basic Buddhist teachings. So these are the 3 things as mentioned. So we are going to discuss one by one about all these things from next video onwards.